Hola, 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 Shapfeluzit Bafetu. Thank you for tuning into Everything SAT Ski. On this one today, we got you matters about Golden Arrows and their latest ban that came straight from FIFA. And Golden Arrows have received a transfer ban from FIFA for 3 consecutive transfer windows after terminating Noxum Dweezer's contract without due compensation. The ban will remain in place until all financial obligations towards Mdwiza are paid in full. And we all know which Golden Arrows have been in a great run as a team, but now are they sabotaging themselves? And this is a letter that come from FIFA. It goes like this: Viva FIFA, via FIFA legal portal. Golden Arrows, Miami, 18 November. That's where it's coming from. Ref, it's number FDD 26011, registration ban. Implementation. Dear Madam, dear Sir, we refer to the advance letter matter as well as the decision passed by FIFA in the matter, ref number FFSD 2128. The decision in this context, it appears that despite the decision, Golden Arrows and the respondent has not yet compiled it with its financial obligations towards Mdwiza. In this regard, we wish to inform the parties that a ban from registering new players internationally and nationally has been implemented by FIFA on the respondent. The registration will remain active until amount due is paid and for a maximum duration of up to 3 entire consecutive registration periods. Lastly, the South African Football Association is requested immediately to implement on the respondent a ban from registering new players at national level if not done yet. We thank you for your kind attention to the above and for your valuable cooperation. Sincerely, FIFA. Copy Noxum Dweze. Guys, please let me know what you think about this news down below the comment section. From your boy Isaac. Why so nice? It is Shelele.
Nice game against the Buccaneers. Billy. Oh, that's goal bound. That is